Hi, this is Mike.
And this is Nick. And today we're going to do some dunking. Sorry you haven't seen us in a while. You probably don't like our videos too much, but alright, yeah, we're gonna do some dunking. Hey, Mike, you stay here. I'm gonna get a ball.
Yeah, stay. Put that camera thing on, Mike. Nick. Nick. Yeah. Now cut. You can't really dunk this with the balls.
We're gonna show you some pretty radical dunks, such as normal dunk, backwards dunk, cross-handed dunk, cool stuff like that. Dunk 360. Alright, now, Michael, why don't you go first? Try
I'm just going to do a normal dunk.
Alright, cool. Alright, now that's Michael. Let me just tie my shoe real quick.
Okay. How about one more? One-handed.
I said no. I said no.
Okay, Nick's going to go.
No. What should I do, Michael? Fine.
So
Try
you
this.
maybe don't.
I'll do cross-handed. Wait.
You just say Nick do it.
Well, that's
Now
okay.
my turn.
Okay, Michael's turn.
One-handed dunk.
Alright. Alright,
They're
backwards dunk.
awesome.
One
I'm Nicole. Nice, Nick.
Thanks, Nicole. Show Nicole.
Hola, people.
Using our last video. Okay. Michael, go.
Backwards dunk.
Good luck,
Like
Michael.
this.
Backwards one.
Ooh.
Alright.
Yeah, big time failure. This will probably be a long time.
Alright, I'll do one-handed, then two-handed, then I'll put my feet up and everything.
Are you sure you're allowed to swing on that thing? He's so good. Okay. I'm wrong. Now we're gonna do some hoops.
Wait. No, wait. I need to try this again. Wait. Be easier.
It's his technique. Here, Nicole.
Alright.
Hold on. Ready?
Wait.
You guys take me in the food. I eat so much. It will involve Sounds like it's gonna break, Nick. Are you sure you're a professional?
Yeah. I can get this, guys. I can get this. Jude, you doing it?
What are you doing?
Sup, guys? Oh, this is pretty cool.
Trying to go through the hoop or something?
No. Good stuff.
Isn't good. Well, he's not doing very well. Cool move. He knows so much. He knows so much, he can't even get down. He's so professional.
I need some help. Can you go out, Mom? Hold me. Hold me.
Anyway, before, well, it's all going to get done, we probably might stop it. But, no, we won't. We can?
Okay.
Yeah!
Yeah! What's up, guys? That was pretty.
That was radical.
What's wrong, Mr. Nick? What's wrong, Mr. Nick?
My finger hurt. It hurts. It hurt a lot. Okay. Right, moving on. Watch this. My finger's broken.
He says his fingers are broken.
Try it with the ball. Too complicated. Here other entertainment. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry.
I pulled away when she did it. He's still freaking out by his hand.
I can make this.
I could do it.
He can do it!
I could do it. I could do it.
I'm going close.
Okay, now, Michael, here. Let me try to make it from right here.
I get the ball next.
Now, you
5 feet.
watch.
Oh,
He missed.
My finger hit a little better.
it's a little better.
Michael, that's awesome.
Say cheese.
Alright,
Say cheese.
Well, guys, well, that's all for today. We might do a couple videos later, maybe inside. Well, anyway, that's all for today. So,
well, Nick.
this is Mike. This is Mike. I'm Nick. This is our buddy Nicole. Alright, and show yourself, Jude. Hi.
Cameraman.
Alright, now,
Cameraman.
well, we gotta go now. See ya, folks.